Welcome back to Archai. Watch as AI transforms a 3 month architectural project into a 3 day sprint, revealing the future of design speed. Imagine the challenge. In a world that's rapidly changing, how can architects possibly keep pace? Enter Spacemaker, the tool that's about to revolutionize your workflow. Step 1, setting up in Spacemaker. Start by uploading your terrain data and initial design parameters. This sets the stage for AI to work its magic. With the data in place, it's time to leverage AI for site analysis. Watch as Spacemaker analyzes urban density, sunlight, and noise to optimize your design right before your eyes. Now let's generate multiple design iterations. This is where Spacemaker shines, creating rapid design variations in minutes that would take weeks manually. The future of collaboration is here. Spacemaker's real-time features allow your team to iterate on designs simultaneously, no matter where they are. Finally, evaluate and select the best design using AI-driven insights. Choose the most efficient and sustainable option with confidence. Architects who embrace AI not only speed up their processes, but also future-proof their careers. Subscribe for more insights and download the link in the description.